Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating the ideal wall and measuring precisely. This saves fumbling later. First, measure 5 feet 8 inches up from the floor and mark the bowl center. Next, measure back 7 feet 9, 25 inches for the throw line and mark it with tape. If possible, find a stud and mark its center. If not, plan for masonry anchors. Once those marks are set, grab your mounting bracket, level, drill, and the screws specified for your bracket and wall type. Now you attach the bracket to the wall while keeping the bowl center mark aligned. A small misalignment becomes obvious when you throw. Position the bracket so the bowl mark lines with the bracket center, then hold a level to confirm vertical alignment before drilling. Drill pilot holes sized for your anchors, insert anchors fully, and fasten screws until snug. Make sure the bracket sits flat. Once done, hang the dartboard and spin it to confirm it sits flush and rotates without wobble. Finish by hanging the board and aligning the bowl to the 5 feet 8 inches mark. Make minor shims behind the bracket if the board tilts. Once it hangs, rotate the board a few times to ensure even wear and check that the mounting screw is snug but not crushed. Place the throw line at exactly 7 feet 9, 25 inches from the board face. Use tape for a temporary setup. If the board wobbles or pulls out, remove screws. Replace anchors with heavier duty options and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.